Hi guys, welcome to another video from Little Too Simple. Don't worry, you didn't misread the title of this video. And no, the title is definitely not clickbait. It is actually possible to invest in real estate with $100 or less. In some cases, it's even possible to invest with as little as $10. In today's video, we will explain how. And rest assured, this is not just another video about REITs. We'll cover many more ways in which one can start real estate investing with very little money. But before we begin, let's clarify, this video is entirely for educational and entertainment purposes only. It should not be considered financial advice of any kind. If you like these kinds of videos, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with your friends and family. Now, let's roll. Most people assume that real estate investing requires a large initial investment to get started. While this might be true if you want to directly own a property, it's not true if you simply want to invest in real estate and enjoy the returns this asset class usually offers. Here are the ways you can start investing in real estate with $100, or even less. REITs are companies that generate at least 75% of their gross income from real estate. More often than not, REITs own commercial real estate and earn revenue from rents on their properties and appreciation in property values. Currently, REITs are one of the most popular instruments for real estate investing, with hundreds of different options to choose from. The best part? REITs are traded on stock markets. This makes them highly liquid, despite being tied to one of the most illiquid asset classes. There are several ETFs in the market that invest a portion, or even all, of their assets under management in REITs. This gives investors indirect exposure to real estate. The main advantage ETFs offer over REITs is diversification. Instead of investing in a single REIT, ETFs provide exposure to a basket of them. In most cases, this results in better returns and improved safety for investors. This is a relatively new approach to real estate investing. Here, investors contribute a portion of the money needed to purchase a property, while the promoter or lead investor takes on the responsibility of managing the asset. Despite being a newer concept, there are already multiple real estate crowdfunding platforms available. Some even allow you to invest with as little as $10. There are also mutual funds that give indirect exposure to real estate by investing in instruments such as mortgage-backed securities and bonds. However, after the 2008 housing market collapse, many risk-averse investors prefer to stay away from these types of funds. In the last couple of years, there has been a rise in platforms that enable angel investing in real estate. This is similar to crowdfunding, but the minimum investment required is much higher, generally in the range of thousands, and sometimes even hundreds of thousands of dollars. If you have a significant stash of cash lying around, this can be a great real estate investment option. We hope this video provided useful information on the different ways one can start investing in real estate with very little funds. For those wondering why we didn't mention the names of specific companies, funds, or platforms, it's intentional. We will be covering those in detail in a future video. So stay tuned. Thanks for making it this far into the video. Please let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this video interesting, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Until next time, have a good one guys.